How to create product catalog in WhatsApp Business without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp Business right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Tools. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Catalog, Shows Products and Services. So here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then simply click on Add New Item. Then here, enter the item name. Then enter price, which is optional. In Naira is optional also. Enter description. Then country of origin. Select your country right here. Having selected your country, hit on save, just like so. Then scroll down right here. Now you are done. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on save right here. So having entered a country of origin, come to the top right here. You can add picture or video that describe the items you want to list in your catalog. For that, go ahead and click on add photo or video, then select from gallery. Then from your gallery right here, you can select the video or photo that you would like to use. So I'm going to click on recently right here. Then I'm going to select from my screenshots. I'm going to select this screenshot and hit on OK. Just like so. Now you can add as many as possible image into these sections right here. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on save. Saving items. And you are done. You have your catalog being successfully created right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.